If Photoshop is showing the genuine error message, don't panic. In most cases, this is a licensing or verification issue, and you can usually fix it by checking your account, removing leftover Adobe files, and if needed, contacting Adobe Support. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest way to troubleshoot it step by step so you can get Photoshop working properly again. And before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. This app is what verifies your Adobe subscription, so it's the best place to start. Once it opens, sign out of your account completely. If needed, close the app fully, then reopen it and log back in with the Adobe ID that has the active Photoshop subscription. Sometimes the genuine error appears simply because the license sync failed, and a fresh sign-in fixes it right away. While you're doing this, make sure your internet connection is active and stable. Photoshop needs to communicate with Adobe servers to confirm that your subscription is valid. If your connection is weak, interrupted, or blocked by a firewall or VPN, that verification can fail and trigger the error. So before moving on, double-check that you're online, and try launching Photoshop again after logging back in. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is whether any old or unlicensed Adobe files are still on your system. This is especially important if you ever used a cracked, modified, or unofficial version of Photoshop in the past. Leftover files from those versions can continue to trigger genuine software alerts even after you install a legitimate copy. To clean this up properly, uninstall any unlicensed Adobe apps from your computer. Then use the official Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool is designed to remove hidden Adobe installation fragments that a normal uninstall can miss. It's one of the safest ways to clear out old components and make sure nothing damaged is interfering with your current installation. Once you've removed those leftover files, restart your computer and open Adobe Creative Cloud again. Log in one more time, then launch Photoshop and see if the message is gone. In many cases, this cleanup process is enough to resolve the issue completely. Now, if you have a valid paid subscription and Photoshop still refuses to verify your license, then the problem may be tied to your Adobe ID rather than the app itself. Sometimes accounts get flagged because of a billing mismatch, a payment verification issue, or a third-party billing problem. If that happens, the best next step is to contact Adobe Support directly. Go to the Adobe Support portal and speak with an agent. Explain that you have an active subscription but are still getting the genuine error in Photoshop. In some cases, Adobe Support can manually clear verification flags on your Adobe account and restore access. Be ready to share your Adobe ID, subscription details, and any error messages you're seeing so they can investigate faster. To recap, the fastest fix is to sign out and back into Creative Cloud. Make sure your internet connection is working, remove leftover Adobe or pirate files, use the official cleaner tool, and if needed, contact Adobe Support to clear your account flags. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have the best chance of fixing the Photoshop genuine error safely and permanently. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more software fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.